Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Copilot from Bing AI. If you come over here, create your account and log in into bing.com, you have this small icon next to the search bar, the colorful one. You want to click on it, right? You have a new chat window over here with 3 different types of conversions. So we have more creative answers given from the actual Copilot. You have more balanced and you have more precise. I always work with more precise simply because we're working with numbers, with estimates, with predictions, everything related to investing, business related stuff. So in this particular example, I want to show you, all you gotta do is to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard. The next step over here, guys, is to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard sign. In this particular example, guys, we are going to ask, please write internship or job cover letter for job at the bank or any other major financial institution. So the way how Bing AI and Copilot works is essentially they generate all the information that is input in the actual search on Bing. This is not Google search, this is Bing search. So everything that anyone has ever put it as a course, as a program, as advice, feedback, suggestions, they generate all that. They garner all like the most highly rated, templates for job offers, for internship, for cover letters, and they're gonna give you a summary of it. So if you look at over here what we generate, it's absolutely amazing. Even the font looks like it's so legitimate. Like you can click on the upper right corner and you can simply copy. You see, we just copy the exact template. So we have a very nice structure. I would say this is a formal structure. You have your name, your address, your city, state, zip code, your email address, today's date, and then you have your actual future potential employee, right? The recipient's name, bank's name, bank's address, city. Okay, I'm writing to express my interest in the job, whatever job you're applying for. It could be an internship, could be apprenticeship, right? Position in the name of the company that was advertised on, let's say, Yahoo Finance. As a finance student, okay, or finance professional, as we mentioned, you might have some experience. You're looking to, find the work and you have a strong interest in their industry and in their company. I'm excited to, have this opportunity and to contribute to your team. In my coursework, I'm profound understanding. You see, guys, it definitely needs some tweaks here and there, but you understand where I'm going, right? This is the best way you can extract value. I've been using Copilot and Bing AI chat for other purposes, such as planning your trip or GPS, location navigation. It doesn't work so well. Or like give me like top products to sell on Shopify or for like e-commerce. It doesn't give suggestions, but when you ask for a core, very straightforward, like an old school business, like methodology, paperwork, analysis, like big data, it works so well. It works like so good. So this one, templates for like business, for letters, for documents, it works so well. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.